Shibanda banraki sngi kyrpang jongki kynthei ka max lani ka makeup art cosmetic harangkat kijingi trailang badap nyota kelapan long ya ka free makeup masterclass ha shoppers stop ha gani ka sngi ki long kemi samla kelawan bani shimbanta ban sngap ya kani ka masterclass ka ba arkanta shiteng ka balapan long hne ka sngi ha gani ka sngi ki ba wan ban saki ya kani ka jingai jinghi kai ka don kumba nyop hongut ai Habakren halor ka sngi ka kyrpang ubah nyota ula ai ka jing kublai kyrpang ya ka max cosmetic ka badai ka international brand ka bala khot yu ban ai jing hikai kumno ban pynbha briew yala de kani ka masa class halor ka jing pynbha briew lawan ban saki da ki pynbha ki ba kentup ya ki long kmi bat ki samla
Start with this color first. This is brick color, matte finish on the crease. It's a nice gradation of colors. Color. Let's go for color. Start from one corner. Brings body in the center. And that goes to the corner. Fallout, less fallout. By now, if you use any other brand, with a fallout. On the upper lid, upper lash line. Just give it a smoky effect on the corner. Start, take one dot here. Take one line, open. Let's call a guideline. Small tail, see? Tail. Get it like the wood here. It's called a wood couple crease line. Go up. Mark a thin line. In case you make mistake, you can still remove it. You can still remove it with Q-tips. Make a move up. But if you draw a line, then you remove the whole thing is body eyeshadow also. Tip of one eyeliner. Next, here also. That's it. See? You have a guideline. Easy one. Close your eyes. See? Come. They are a big influencer on the whole world. So Badap, she's a makeup artist. Bobby Brown, you know Bobby Brown, no? No. Makeup, what to do? Empower you, ladies. Okay, so happy Women's Day, and hope to see you around. Let's take a picture. Come. Program tasi bagi ane apa shopper stop kedai kebaki invite apa shopper stop yang ane, and first of all ngai go you play ba la play ni kalat sen yang aban baka academy jangan lain ka accentuate bandio ketika collaboration baka shopper stop and Mac Cosmetic ketika one of the international brand mo la trade besar for Delhi Mac Cosmetic akan like sao. I'm very grateful to the company also Mac Cosmetic for inviting me to conduct a master class on behalf of Women's Day. So as we all know, Women's Day ketika sngi kynthei dak skimo abang kynthei ke celebrate neki product neki jan neki riam ki bet neki do ki dar te kam taken si kemai event ta make up help ki kynthei ban empower on uplift ki ken and be ki body the iconic ki actress ki makeup artist ki top ki kum ki Pat McGrath, Bobby Brown, Rihanna ki big influencer mo. So makeup is like one thing in Becky. Why we did today masterclass in Kynthei Mtakski, like I told you, baka makeup can rap iki ban enhance more feature, so can long more confident get mo. Tangumta, and I'm very happy that a lot of people go on the class and I hope you all enjoyed. And Tangumta, happy Women's Day. See, it's a mixed crowd. Mo kam tip ha kini one of through social media, advertisement, and then few of them kini student jonga, and then the rest kini bana bar kini bang amit ho. Kini social media kini advertisement, mixed crowd. Kini makeup artist, kini makeup artist ru, one learn self makeup also mo. For more information also you can maybe kini yang
hikai minta CVI ke?
Jadi kita nak see kali pang self grooming, self makeup itu, daily makeup manle kumno yalde ko alik party ko alik office sometime mo, entah kumno banta ka foundation on different skin type mo, sometimes people on different skin type, oily skin, dry skin, itu kan. Almost 2.5 hours now.
Kan numut kena gon.
Kiwan kemba I think repongwat right?
Jadi kalau kadang juga dokumen bakal dikasih Women's Day, ada kasih jongi kynthei, dia kamtam dunia buan kesamlan je mengadi bakal. Hedu terai nak berokon, tinggal kemet mengai kumlei di nyatamu nama tip bahal keteng, ngasih tip information kendiat bayi dan hang ni minta kasih ngasuan kawan di kendiatnya asmui I bangayo kendiat kejing Kambun deh kandiat nama ni tip kandiat wilayah Kambun ni ayu ublay bar nang ni sakmat kinambun ni kena samla ke benang yo ban peteng ni kani kam tam ni lay ni dang kam lay kata kecing ban penyan ha long ban pensutu bahai kini kecing kemudian ang beauty lani ikam lajong mo kung maong no na iba niya nang lar dinani iba nang yo nang penai mesin susu yang kynthei hitam kini kena sama berpan bat tangkap yang nong
Abang ala yo one hari banyak model Badap Badap. Hikai pun haki tips and tricks bangan using ke makeup yang lagi kedua jangan dia but setelah dulu pakadi haka International Women's Day yo aban embrace yang lagi as women and yo aban enhance the looks through makeup and yo aban in individuality journey as we go through our lives through makeup and fashion. For personal thing here. I'm just modeling for him.
Bila you attend them to the class ni first time.
This is my first time.
Kaya benefit for you. Nakani ka training dah sih.
First thing ngayo aban kendu so many kinds of people hani ngayo aban interact with so many kinds of people and Joshua he has a lot of connections, so it's good to know him and everything.